I am here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe.
Hey beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to the channel. So on today's video I'll be doing a grocery haul, a fridge organization, and also I'll show you how to wrap sausages and smokies to avoid having to remove all of them and letting them thaw. So yeah, that's what I'm doing actually right now. So yeah, I'll be using a cling film to wrap them, and we are just 4 of us in the house, so I'll be wrapping in fours and then storing them in the containers. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you're really enjoying Vlogmas, kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And this is Vlogmas day 4. So far so good. Hope you're enjoying the videos. So let me know that in the comment section, guys. And thank you so much if you're new to this channel and you've decided to watch this video. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers. Thank you so much, fam, for always coming back to watch my videos, and I appreciate your support. Thank you so much to the Premier Gang. You guys, you have no idea how much I appreciate you. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share me out. Asanteni.
And I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up, no time to lay.
It's easier storing them like this because you don't have to thaw a whole pack. You just have to remove or thaw the ones you just want to prepare.
To drift away, I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, I'm feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on flying, let's keep on breathing. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below. To drift away, I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow.
I got coriander. So this one for 30 bob, 40 bob, I'm 30 bob, and then some garlic, ginger. Got 3, so each at 10 shillings. And then I got some lemon. I got this at each at 10 bob. And then tomatoes. So these were going for each at 5 bob. Ayo ya, nimesahau vinegar. And then all these are onions. So we'll be restocking this in the fridge because I want to clean the fridge. And then on the grocery haul I showed yesterday, I showed you guys I got some, what do you call them, some beans. So some of them will be making with them githeri, so that's why we have the maize over here. And this is it for the haul, for the groceries. So I have more maize over here. And these are the onions that we had remaining. So I'll be adding them over here. Although I'm thinking we finished this because zinakauka sana. So I'll be putting this huku juu. And the onions, I get the onions at 3 at 10 bob. Tatukumi. So the next thing that I will be doing, I'll be cleaning our fridge and then organizing everything, and also throw away some food that has stayed in the fridge for more than 3 days. So that's what I do. We ensure not to put leftover meals for more than 3 days.
And I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
I always turn the fridge off, and I had some leftover vinegar and water mix in the spray bottle, so that's what I'll be using to clean the fridge. And also I'll be dipping the towel that I'll be using to wipe on some water that has liquid soap. And it was really dirty, like you can see the fridge was really, really dirty. So yeah.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. You don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how.
So I'll also be washing the trays, all the trays, before I put them back.
Swim nowhere choices will find out. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we...
I actually thought my camera was filming, but it was on pause mode when I was scrubbing these trees. But yeah, it happens.
There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
I clean tomatoes, the capsicum and the courgettes before I store them. So the only things that I don't clean are the carrots actually. So everything, the cabbage. So everything else that I'll put in the fridge, I'll make sure to clean it.
Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
So for the coriander, I'll be storing them like this, although there are times I just wrap them. Yeah, but this is a new way that I learned and I want to try it because I've been throwing away coriander for a while now, and it's not good. It's not good.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open and out.
So I clean them before storing them like this, and I'll just cover the container and store them in the fridge.
Just to see if I'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I.
So the fridge is all clean, like you can see, and I just turned the light on, and I was happy. So let's get to arrange it. So I was trying to put the tomatoes that were in the fridge before on a separate side, and then the fresh ones on another side, so that you can get to finish the ones that have stayed for a while. And then my clean film ilikuwa imeisha, so if I sometimes wrap the capsicum with cling film before storing them.
It's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
So if you've watched until this far, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. To my premier gang, I love you guys. I love you guys, and you know that. Thank you so much for the amazing support. Asanteni sana. Please, if you've not given this video a thumbs up, kindly do. And let me see you tomorrow on my next one.